How are you coping with the lockdown situation? I hope you are safe and sound. And good day, my wonderful parents. I remain Mr. Godwin Anya, your mathematics teacher. And today I'll be taking you on mathematics. Alright? Before we go into the topic of today, let's take a quick review of what we did last time. Alright, last time we looked at length. And we discussed length as the distance between 2 points. We went further to look at the instrument used for measuring length, which includes tape, ruler, and a meter rule. We then proceeded to the unit of length, ranging from centimeters cm, meters m, and kilometers km. We also looked at conversion of units, where we noted the relationship that existed between the units, where we have 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters, or 1 m equals to 100 centimeters. And also we looked at 1,000 meters equals to 1 kilometers, and which we used in our conversion of units. Alright, today we'll be looking at addition of length in centimeters cm, meters m, and kilometers km. So we're going to be dealing with addition of length in the units you've seen above there. Alright, so now we're going to start with few examples here. We are going to look at few examples here on addition of length in centimeters, meters, and kilometers. Alright? Number 1, we have add 2 meters 30 centimeters plus 4 meters 57 centimeters. Alright, this is vertical addition. This is what? Vertical addition, where you have the tens, or you have the unit, tens, hundred, and so forth. So you add vertically according to the column, one after the other. But starting from your extreme right, the first column is this. That is the unit column. Alright, let me bring to your mind or knowledge that addition of this kind, or addition of length in centimeters and meters, is the same thing as normal addition. There's no difference. The only difference is the symbols we have here. Where you have m, you know it's meter. When you have cm, you know it's centimeters. Where you have km, you know it's kilometer. That is just the difference. Or every other thing remains the same. Every other thing about addition remains the same. So nothing changes. So the actual methods you use in adding are the same methods you have to use here to add your numbers here. Alright? So let's put together 2 meters 30 centimeters and 4 meters 57 centimeters. Starting with the unit column. We have here 0 plus 7. Any number plus 0 is what? That number. So 0 plus 7 is what? 7. And the next column, we have the tens column. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is what? You can use your rough work. Count 3, count 5, add together. What you will have will be 8. Because of time, you're not going to be counting. In fact, you are big boys and girls. You don't need to be counting strokes. But it's good to count strokes at your convenience so that you find it easier to add or subtract. But right now, we are going to skip that as there's no time on our side. Right, next we have 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. You go to your rough work, count 2, count 4, add them together. And the answer you have is 6. So the answer we have here is 6 meters 87 centimeters. Alright, next, number 2, we're going to look at this. 58 kilometers plus 58 kilometers, 204 meters plus 20 kilometers, 153 meters. Alright, still starting from the extreme there. We have 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. Alright, still go to your log work, count 4, count 3, and add them together. And your answer will be 7. Alright? You also have the next column here, that is the 10th column. 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5 is what? 5. Any number plus 0 is that number. Or 0 plus any number is that number. Good. Alright, let's proceed to the next column, which is the 100 column here. We have here 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1, go to your log work, count 2, count 1, and add them together. And your answer will be 3. Alright? Alright, this space is here for you to indicate, or this space indicates the boundary between kilometers and meter. You either use a point here, alright? This shows that this other side is meter and this other side is kilometer. Alright? So don't get confused. Also here, this other side is centimeters, this other side is meters. You can use this. Alright? So now, move to the next column. We have here 8 plus 0. 8 plus 0. Any number plus 0 is that number. Alright? So 8 plus 0 is what? 8. Here we have 5 plus 2. 5 plus what? 2. Move to your log work. Count 5 and count 2. Then count them together. Your answer will be 7. So what do we have here? We have 78 kilometers, 357 meters. Alright? Alright, we're going to look at example 3, a word problem, still under addition of length. Still under addition of length. Alright? Number 3 here. The question is, Iyabo had 8 meter, 55 centimeters of cloth. Iyabo had 8 meters, 55 centimeters of cloth. This is the length of the clothes she had. And she later bought 10 meters, 85 centimeters of cloth. Alright, additional cloth was bought from the market. And the length of the cloth was 10 meters, 85 centimeters. And then we have to find the total length of the cloth she had now. Alright, then the cloth she had earlier was 8 meters, 55 centimeters. She later bought 10 meters, 85 centimeters. So when you add them together, you are going to have the total length of cloth she has now. Alright? You're going to solve it now. Solution. Please always take note of my arrangement, because you must solve your work or assignment by showing working also. Clear working. Alright? So now, we start by saying Iyabo had, what was the length of clothes she had before? 8 meters, 55 centimeters. Simply use M up here and CM. Sorry, yes, CM. This other side. She had what? 8 meters, 55 centimeters. 55 under CM, 8 under meters. And then she later bought and then she bought what? What was the length of clothes she bought? 10 meters, 85 centimeters of clothes. 10 meters, 85 centimeters of clothes. So all together, she's going to have, we're going to add now. We're going to add together. Please don't be confused. Alright, this arrangement is an unusual arrangement here. You have to learn this also. In addition, the number with more digits should be up, while the one with lesser digits come down. So 10 is supposed to go up and 8 come. 10 meter 85 centimeters is supposed to go up, while 8 meters 55 centimeters is supposed to come down. But this arrangement is still the same thing. There's no difference. So it doesn't matter which one comes first. In addition, this is the commutative law or property of addition. Doesn't matter which one comes first, provided the arrangement is proper or you arrange your work properly. Alright? So now, let's add 5 plus 5. Go to your rough work, count 5, count another 5, and then count them together. Your answer will be what? 10. Alright? Alright, I've always noticed this, that some children or some pupils always write 2-digit numbers under one column. It's wrong. So please take note of this. If you add 2 numbers together under a column and you have your answers to be of 2 digits, all you need to do is pick the first digit from your right. The first digit from your right. This is the unit digit. You write just that and you carry over the next digit to the next column. This is the next column, and you add it to the numbers there. Alright, what is here? We've carried over 1 from this column, unit column, to 10th column. So first of all, add it to this 5. The 1 you carried over from the unit column should be added to the 5 at the 10th column. Alright, when you add the 1 to the 5, you're going to have 6. So now you have 6 plus 8. So using your rough work, you count 6 and you count 8 and you add them together. If you do that, you're going to have 13 as your answer. Alright? So you also having 2-digit number as your answer. So it's also wrong if you write 13 here as your answer. It's going to be wrong. So what do? You write the unit digit, which is what? 3. The unit digit is 3. You write 3 down and you carry over the 1. Alright, sorry children, there was a mistake here. We made a mistake by adding 5 to 8 instead of 6 to 8. So we are going to start all over. Alright, what we have here is 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5. If you count, or you use your counters or you use your rough work to count strokes, you are going to have 10 to be your answer. 5 plus 5 is 10. Or you don't write 2-digit numbers under one column. So what do? You write the first digit from your right, which is 0. You write 0 and you carry over 1 to the next column. You carry over the 1 to the next column and you add it to the numbers there. So now you have 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is what? 6. And 6 plus 8 is what? This was where we made the mistake. 6 plus 8 is what? 14 and not 13. It's 14. So also you have 2-digit number as your answer. So what do? You don't write this 2 digits under one column. You write the first digit from your right. That is a unit digit. The unit digit. Yeah, the unit digit is 4. So you are writing 4 as your answer under there, while you carry over the 1 to the next column. The 1 from the 14 is carried over to this column. Carried over to the next column. Alright? So the 1 from 14 is added to 8. 1 plus 8 is what? 9. And 9 plus 0 is 9. Yes, 9 plus 0 is 9, because any number plus 0 is that number, and 0 plus any number is that number. So here we have an invisible 0 plus 1. An invisible 0 plus 1. That is 0 plus 1 is what? 1. So that is our answer. Altogether, Iyabo had 19 meters from our answer. 19 meters, 40 centimeters of clothes. Altogether, she had 19 meters, 40 centimeters of clothes. Alright, children, we are going to end the addition here and proceed to the subtraction of length. Alright? Alright, children, next we are going to look at subtraction of length in centimeters, meters, and kilometers. Alright? Subtraction of length is the same with normal subtraction. There is no difference, as I told you, for addition. The only difference is the symbols you have here. M stands for meter, and cm stands for centimeter, and km stands for kilometer. That is the only difference. But the normal subtraction is the same. No difference. So we are going to start with these examples we have here. Example 1. 9 meter, 24 centimeters minus 5 meters, 30 centimeters. So, starting with the first column from your right. This is the first column from your right, because you are moving from the right to the left. From the right column to the left column. Alright? So what we have here is 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0 is what? 4. Because any number minus 0 is that number. So 4, take away nothing. 4, take away nothing. It's still 4. Because you haven't taken away anything from 4. Alright? So next we have 2 minus 3. 2, take away 3. Is that possible? No. It's not possible for you to take away a bigger number from a lesser number. 2 is less than 3. So you can't take away 3 from 2. So what do we do here? We borrow. So we are going to borrow 110 from the next column. The number at the next column, which is number 9 here. We're going to borrow 1 from here and add to the 2. So the one we are taking from here is called 110. So 9 take away 1 is what? 8. So you fix it here. So what do we have now? 12. So it's now 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3. Alright? If you use your rub work or your canvas, you discover 12 minus 3 is 9. 12 minus 3 is what? 9. So remember that you took a number from here which you added to this. Alright? So what is left here is 8. No more 9. Always bear that at the back of your mind. So we have 8 minus 5. 8 minus what? 5. Using your rub work or counters, if you count 8 and take away 5, you are going to have 3. Alright? So 9 meters, 24 centimeters minus 5 meters, 30 centimeters is 3 meters, 94 centimeters. Alright? The next we're going to look at is example 2. We have kilometers and meters here. So still starting with the column from your right or your extreme right. The first column is unit. So what we have there is 5 minus 2. 5 minus what? 2. Or 5 take away 2. Alright, using your counters or rub work, if you count 5 and you take away 2, you're going to have 3 as your answer for this column. Moving to the next column, which is the 10th column, we have there 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. And also using your rub work, if you count 5 and you take away 1, you are going to have 4 as your answer under the unit column. Or sorry, under the 10th column. And the next column we have here is 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. Alright, using your rub work or your counters, count 4, take away 2. You are going to have 2 as your answer under this column. Moving to the next column, you have the 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0, or 0 take away 0 is what? 0. 0 take away 0 is what? 0. Alright? Moving to the next column, we have the 8 minus 3. 8 minus what? 3. Alright? If you use your rub work or counters, 8 minus 3 is going to give you 5. 8 minus 3, you have 5 for that column. And then moving to the next column, we have the 2 take away 1. 2 minus 1. And using your rub work or counters, you're going to have 1 as your answer. Alright? If you were following me, you can put your hands together for yourself. Alright? We're going to call it a day here. I hope you've learned a lot of things, or you've learned a lot of things in this few period we just looked at. Addition and subtraction of length. Alright? Before I leave, I'm going to leave you with a few assignments or homework which we have here. Alright, our homework for today is add 3 meters 23 centimeters plus 4 meters 72 centimeters. That is our number 1. And number 2, we have 73 kilometers 102 meters plus 14 kilometers 322 meters. That is for number 2. And our number 3, we have 59 kilometers 832 meters minus 37 kilometers 320 meters. And our number 4 here, we have 5 meters 27 centimeters minus 3 meters 11 centimeters. Alright, I'm going to leave you with just one word problem, number 5. And it's a road construction company made 24 kilometers 855 meters on Monday. The road construction company made 24 kilometers 855 meters of road on Monday. And then on Tuesday, they made 37 kilometers 230 meters. That is on Tuesday. So now, what distance of the road did they make altogether? So if you add the distance constructed, a distance of road constructed on Monday and that constructed on Tuesday. So what's going to be the total distance or length of road that the company or construction company has made for the week? Alright, we're going to call it a day here. Please ensure you do my assignments, do them on time, come to school and submit them for marking. Alright? Alright, I'm going to call it a day here, we're going to call it a day. But before I leave, let me advise you, please ensure you stay at home, stay safe. Adhere to the instruction or the safety measures adopted to control the spread of COVID-19. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye for now.